Here we are going to derive the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at. Now consider a graph of velocity versus time for an object that is moving under constant acceleration a. Let at time t is equal to 0, the initial velocity of the particle is u and the particle is at point A. After time t, the particle reaches point B and let the velocity be v. Initial velocity is shown as OA and final velocity is shown as OE. Now from point B, draw lines parallel to time axis and velocity axis, and therefore let point E be on velocity axis and point C be on time axis. It can be seen from the graph that OE is equal to V and BC is also equal to V because they are parallel. OA is equal to U and therefore CD will be also U. AD is parallel to OC, OC is equal to T and therefore AD is also equal to T. Now we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time, and therefore from the graph it can be seen that the change in velocity will be equal to BD, and therefore BD will be equal to BC minus DC. BC is V and DC is U, therefore the change in velocity is equal to V minus U, and the time OC is equal to T. Similarly AD is also equal to T, and therefore now we have acceleration is equal to V minus U upon T, or if you rearrange it you will find that we can write it as V is equal to U plus at. This is known as first equation of motion.